Welcome back, everyone, to our English learning podcast.
The only place where grammar doesn't scare you, hopefully.
Today's topic is controversial.
Very controversial.
Is grammar really important for speaking fluent English?
Some teachers might be nervous right now.
Relax, teachers. We respect you. But today, we're talking honestly. Mahim, I have trauma. From grammar? Yes. Tense, voice, narration, conditionals. My brain hurts.
Same. Past perfect continuous still scares some people.
So tell me clearly, do I need perfect grammar to speak fluently?
Short answer, no.
What? Long answer, grammar is important, but not first. Explain before teachers unsubscribe from this podcast.
Fluency means speaking smoothly and confidently.
So it's about flow,
Yes, flow and clarity.
not 100% grammar accuracy.
No one speaks 100% perfectly, not even native speakers. Give me example. Imagine someone says, "He go yesterday market."
That's wrong grammar.
Yes, but do you understand?
Yes, I understand he went to the market yesterday.
Exactly. Communication happened.
So grammar mistake didn't destroy meaning.
Right. Grammar improves clarity, but communication is the goal.
So what is grammar then?
Grammar is like traffic rules.
Interesting.
Traffic rules make driving safe and smooth, but can you learn driving only by reading traffic rules?
No, I need to drive.
Exactly. Many learners only study grammar but never drive English.
I think I did this mistake.
Many students do. They think, when my grammar becomes perfect, I will start speaking.
That's literally me.
But grammar improves while speaking, not before speaking.
So speaking comes first.
Speaking and grammar should grow together.
So how much grammar do I need?
Basic structure, subject plus verb plus object. Basic tenses, present, past, future. Question structure.
Not 20 advanced rules?
Not at the beginning.
That's a relief. I feel nervous because I think, what if my tense is wrong?
That fear slows your brain. When you overthink grammar, your fluency stops.
So my brain is checking rules instead of speaking naturally.
Exactly. Too much analysis kills flow.
So what should be my focus?
Step 1, speak freely. Step 2, notice common mistakes. Step 3, improve gradually.
Gradually.
Yes, don't try to fix every grammar mistake in 1 week.
Give practical example.
Let's say you always say, "he goes school." After speaking practice, you notice this mistake. Now focus only on fixing third person's S. He goes to school.
Fix one pattern at a time?
Exactly. Small corrections, big improvement over time.
So grammar is not the villain.
No, grammar is your friend.
Strict friend.
Yes, but don't let that strict friend stop you from speaking.
I think I waited years because I was scared of wrong grammar.
Many learners stay silent for years, but silence doesn't improve grammar either.
True. Practice reveals mistakes.
And mistakes guide improvement.
Okay, listeners, today's challenge is simple.
Speak for 2 minutes about your day.
Don't stop for grammar correction.
After finishing, think about one mistake you noticed.
Improve that one thing tomorrow. Let's summarize. 1. Fluency means smooth communication. 2. Grammar improves clarity, but it's not first. 3. Don't wait for perfection. 4. Speak first, correct gradually. 5. Fix one mistake pattern at a time.
Fluency first, accuracy grows with practice.
If you promise to stop waiting for perfect grammar, comment, "I will speak imperfect English."
Share this episode with someone who is stuck in grammar fear.
And follow our podcast for more practical English improvement.
Until next time.
Speak first, improve later.